Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and I am super excited because the festive season is finally here. And because of the lockdown and everything, whatever has been happening for a while now, it just feels like it's been forever since I celebrated anything. And well, it's time to say yes to life, yes to all things awesome, yes to hair color, which is what we'll be talking about today. I'll be coloring my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme gloss conditioning color, and I have actually reviewed this product before. It's something which I use quite often, if you might have even seen this on my channel, and I'll just share the process of hair coloring with you. If you want a new look for the festive season, if you're just prepping up, I think hair coloring is such a fun way of expressing yourself and just changing your look. It's awesome, right? And by the way, it's super handy. You can totally use this at home even if you've never colored your hair before. So for all those of you who are wondering which hair color I've picked up 200 Ebony Black. So it's a nice jet black color. I love jet black hair. It actually comes in 13 variants. There are 13 shades available, but more on that later. Why have I picked up jet black? You'll be wondering, Prachi, your hair already looks black. It's actually not. It's because of these lights that my hair is looking black right now. If I step out in the sunlight, my actual hair color is this golden brown shade, which I'm kind of tired of. So I love jet black, so I'll be coloring my hair jet black. Plus, I don't know if you can see, I have one or two annoying strands of gray hair which just looks so prominent. So basically, if you want to color your hair for a new look, or if you want to just cover the grays, or like in my case, if you want to do both, this video can be very, very useful for you. Before I get there, I know a lot of you will be wondering, Prachi, you color your hair often. Does this damage your hair? It actually does not. This particular hair color is ammonia free. It contains no ammonia, which basically means that there will be no damage to the hair. On top of that, it also contains shine mask with royal jelly. So I'll show you this how to use this and what it does in a bit. But in short, if I have to explain this, the shine mask with royal jelly, it basically makes your hair really soft and healthy, and it just adds a beautiful gloss to your hair. Like once you're done coloring your hair and using the shine mask with royal jelly, your hair will look so rich, so beautiful. And that's the reason, right? Like even though I color my hair often, I don't actually end up with damaged hair. My hair always looks healthy. So this is one of the reasons it really helps. So it lasts for up to 28 washes, and that basically means that you're solid for next 3.5, 4 months, depending on how often you shampoo your hair. And yeah, for me personally, I think that's a really good start. Okay, so going ahead with what are the contents of this pack and what you can expect. So it contains 1 bottle of developer creme. You also get 1 tube of no ammonia colorant creme. Then of course the bottle of shine mask with royal jelly, 1 pair of gloves, please do wear this, and also of course this instruction manual, which I suggest you go through it. They have shared a lot of interesting tips and tricks around here, and especially for all those of you who are coloring your hair for the first time, guys, this is so important. Like this is mandatory level important. Okay, if you have never used this product before, please do a patch test. You can do it behind your ear, behind your neck. Do a patch test. Now, in what proportion are we going to be mixing our colorant creme with the developer creme? Good question. Since I have long hair and I'll be coloring my entire hair, I will be mixing both the products together, the entire contents of it. Okay, so I'll be mixing it entirely. However, if you're just doing root touch up, a small touch up here and there, you can mix the colorant creme and the developer creme in the ratio of 1:1.5. So the colorant creme is 1 and developer creme being 1.5, and mix it in a bowl which is non-metallic. Okay, so non-metallic bowl, non-metallic spoon. Anything which is metallic, keep it out of the way. Now going ahead with my own hair coloring procedure, I'll be applying some moisturizer on my skin before getting started to prevent any possible staining. I'll also make my hair slightly damp before getting started. The color just spreads better when the hair is slightly damp. And then mixing my colorant creme into the developer creme bottle. I'm just going to put this in the developer creme bottle itself because it's very easy to work with, really. So as you can see, I'm sectioning out my hair and applying this to the length of my hair, the roots, the tips, the entire length of your hair. Apply it all over and then spread this. You can use a brush, or just like me, you can use your hands to spread this across. Since I'm wearing gloves, it's actually very, very easy to work with. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse everything off. Then I'm just gonna take some shine mask with royal jelly and apply this to the length of my hair. After 2 minutes, I'll rinse this off with lukewarm water. And now let me show you what my hair looks like out in the sunlight. And do you believe the transformation, guys? The hair color looks rich, the hair is soft, silky, so glossy. It looks super healthy, and to think of it, I've just done this in 20 minutes sitting at home. Obviously, it's because, first of all, like I said, it contains no ammonia, so obviously there's no damage. The hair is actually looking so good. By the way, the gray hair, do you see? Not visible at all. I've been looking for it, it's not visible. Completely gone. So it's an ammonia free hair color, which basically means no damage, and because of the shine mask with royal jelly, it looks so much more healthy. By the way, guys, before proceeding, just want to mention this, that if you don't end up finishing, like I have finished the entire contents of the pack, right? Everything I've used up entirely. But suppose you haven't finished off the shine mask with royal jelly entirely, there's still a bit left. Or suppose you haven't finished off the developer creme or the colorant creme and there's still some left, you can actually keep it aside and use it the next time. And yeah, this is how my hair is looking. Sorry, I'm just still combing through my hair. But I love how soft, silky, healthy, shiny my hair looks. So guys, like I mentioned in the beginning as well, this is available in 13 colors and 13 shades. And yeah, I will link it down in the description box below so you can get it for yourself. You can have a look at all the shades. And as for the price, the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss Conditioning Color retails for rupees 550. So for 550 rupees, you get colored hair, shiny hair, soft hair, and all things awesome. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. If you have ever tried out this product before, sorry guys, I just can't stop touching my hair right now, it's feeling so soft, If you have ever tried out this product before, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, and which shade did you go for. Or if you're thinking of coloring your hair, let me know in the comment section below what hair color would you pick. Like I said, I love the jet black color because first of all, it goes with the Indian skin tone really well, and it's such a sharp, stark color. We always feel like black color is black, but black color is so awesome as well. So yes guys, share your comments, share your feedback, whatever you want to share with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.